Now the question before us is, find the amount of water displaced by a solid spherical ball of diameter 28 centimeter. You can see here that this is a spherical ball and it has diameter of 28 centimeter. The question says that suppose there is water and we put this spherical ball into the water. Now the question is that if we put this spherical ball into water, how much amount of water will be displaced by this spherical ball? So now what is given to us is, we have been given diameter. Diameter is equal to 28 centimeter. You can see here that this is diameter. From this, we know that from the center, this is known as radius, and this point and the distance between central point and any point on the surface of the sphere is equal. So this is also r, and from this point to this point, this is also r. In other words, d is equal to 2r, or we can say that radius is half of diameter. You can see in this picture also that radius is half of diameter. So what is the radius which comes out? It is 14 centimeter. Now what we have to calculate? We have to calculate amount of water displaced. When we put this spherical ball into water, then the amount of water displaced will be equal to the volume of spherical ball. Now what is the formula for calculation of volume of spherical ball? It is 4/3 pi r cube. Now we will put in the relevant values. 4/3, the value of pi is 22/7. Now what is the value of r? It is 14. As here it is written as r cube, so we will write the value of r 3 times. So what will come out? It will come out as 3496/3 is equal to 11498.66 cubic centimeter. Now this is the amount of water displaced, and this is the answer before you. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.